This is the old Irish golf club, Billy Baru, I think. I think Ted Knight lost to Billy Baru. Billy. It's a little staffera. What am I gonna do with this pipe? Holy cow. Look at this beauty. Look at that pipe right there. Holy cow, look at this thing. What is this? That's not fitting in the kayak.
Welcome to Pruyne Time Magnet Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Pruyne Time Magnet Fishing.
Look at this. Okay, we're gonna try. Oh, jeez. Wildlife scaring the sheath out of me. Got a piece of wire, just reaching down in the water. Found a piece of wire. There's something right there as well. Piece of wire right there. Piece right there. You know, I might just have to get out and walk. It's not good. Okay, let's put this in here somehow. Okay. Seeing so much stuff up here. Another piece of wire. Another piece of wire. Another piece of wire. Look at this piece of whatever it is. Look at this. Some barbed wire right there. Look at that. Gosh darn, I can't get that out. More. Look at this. Is this another piece of that? Or did I drag the other one out? Look at that. And this big old rebar here. Wow. No, it was a different piece. Down here. What's this? What is this? I got a genie's lamp here. Oh, check this out. It's a duck. I think we'll leave him here. This is a good place for the duck. Just reminds me of the episode of, I gotta grab that. Episode of Taxi. Remember the episode of Taxi? Do it for the duck. Do it for the duck. This isn't the best footing over here. There's a bunch of bricks and blocks. And we got some nails, I believe. Look at this. Big piece of metal right there. And a bunch of nails. And we got some nails here. We got some more kind of wire here. And some nails. Some metal here, banding. Got some more of this metal. Holy cow, find this all over. Huh. Wonder what this is all from. What the hell am I standing on? More of it. Look at this. And we got just a bunch of crusties. Doing my Humphrey Bogart again. Cheers like this. We're in the middle of the Canisteo River. Can't you go any faster than that? What do we got here? We got a bunch of stuff. Oh, standing on. Oh, cow. Look at that. Look at this thing. And we got this big bolt. What is this? Huh. What is that thing? A huge amount of nails. Bugs will freak you out here. Oh, they're attacking me. We got something else on here. Holy cow. What is this thing? What is this big, huge piece of metal? And old nail, look at that. It's your old nail right there. Piece of metal. I gotta get out of here because these bugs are freaking me out now. Sorry guys. Sorry I disturbed your little spot here. Now you're going ahead of me here. What do we have? Oh, looks like part of a horseshoe. A washer. A bunch of crusties. Crusties. We haven't reached the island yet. Okay, a few pieces of metal here. Ooh, look at this. Some metal there, something there, some nails, and some crusties. Look at this. Big old rim in the water. Take that. Look at that full load. What is this? Holy cow. Huh. This is heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Ooh. What is that? Something right here as well. Something. What is that? Now I can get that out. Got something right here. Holy cow. Some major pipers right here. Look at all that. We got some more pipage down here. Oh, look at that piece. There's your Hogan's Hero. Anybody in there? LeBeau? Newkirk? Oh, look at all these. What the heck's happening? Okay. I see something over here. Oh, these clamshells and stuff. Holy smokes. Clamshell. Piece of metal right there. Piece of chunk of metal right here. Chunk right there. Clams. Look at all these clams. Oh yeah. Still got clam in there. Anybody hungry? Look at all these fossils. Oh, what kind of rack is that? Lord have Murphy. Hey, I can't believe how much stuff we found out here. Just like before, I loaded up my kayak. I ended up having to walk it down because I had so much stuff in it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Take care. See you soon. Adios.
Welcome to Prime Time Magnet Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Each throw is a step back into history, revealing the hidden stories of our waterways. From rusted old tools to forgotten treasures, every find tells a tale. But it's not just about discovery. It's about preserving our environment. We clean our waters, one magnet at a time, and take our scrap metal to the scrapyard, turning history into a little bit of pocket change. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Prime Time Magnet Fishing.